Welcome back coders. I am back again with another video, and this video will be over Python, and our topic would be how to do string concatenation. So there are three ways we can do so. That is either by using comma or plus or formatted string. Now suppose we have a variable var1 and then we are just typing comma and then var2. What the output would be, these two variables would be given as output followed by a space. So var1 space var2. So if in var1 there is a value of maybe Manoj and in var2 there is a value of Maiti, it would be Manoj space Maiti. But if we just concatenate it with a plus, then there won't be any spaces between the two output. It would just be placed together side by side. That is Manoj Maiti. There will be no spaces in between. And to use formatted string, we use formatted string inside print function and then a formatted for f, and then these variables have to be written inside curly braces, and whatever in whichever format we are writing it inside the double quotation, that is the colon, in it will be the exact way the output would be shown. So if I write here something and then this one, and if I place here at the rate, whatever way we are writing inside the formatted string, the variables, the only thing we have to keep in mind is that the variables have to be written within curly braces. So let me just quickly move to Jupyter notebook, and here I will be writing h1 and give a heading to whatever we are trying to do, that a string concatenation b and then h1. So this will be treated as a Python code. So what you need to do is that you need to click on code and then select this markdown. After that, just press shift enter. Okay, so now what I'll be doing is that I'll be writing initial equal to input, please enter enter your first name. Fine. So in the next line we will be writing surname equal to input, please enter your title. Fine. So now the output would be print. We'll be using comma in the first instance, as here according to the our this particular document, that will be using comma then plus then formatted string, and look how they differ. So initial comma surname. Now let's press enter. Okay, so please enter your first name. Let me provide my name and my title. So Shoumallo Khan, there is a space in between the two. Now instead of using comma, if I have used plus, and if I just rerun the code again, it's asking for the name Shoumallo and then Khan. So Shoumallo Khan, both of the variables are placed side by side, but there are no spaces in between. So the gist is, if we use comma, the two variables would be printed, but there will be space in between them. But if we use plus, there won't be any comma. There won't be any space. If we use plus, there won't be any spaces between the two outputs. That is the two variable outputs. Finally, the formatted string output. So I'll be writing f, and inside quotation, whatever I write, that the name is, and maybe some arrow. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that the variables are to be written inside curly braces. That's the only thing you have to keep in mind. And then let me close the curly braces and place colon. So please enter your name Shoumallo and then the title Khan. So the name is Shoumallo Khan. So these are the three general ways in which you can concatenate two strings in Python. That's all for this video session. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.